In this video, we just made 620%. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. Private list, hiVALHALLA Gifto HORD CareCoin Sentinel Guys, we just made 620% profit. The idea on this channel is a trade group, the moon. We buy low before the pump and sell up high. Let me give you an example here how much we made in Gifto. I shared this trade in the private list on February 2nd. We bought this coin for 0.035 and put a sell order right here on the daily resistance at 15 cents. Some members made 325%. I made 300%. I put $10,000 here. That means I just made $30,000. Next trade recap. Suterusu shared this trade in the private list right here on February 10. We bought this coin for 0.0005 and I put a sell order right here. Daily resistance 0.0009. 60% profit, guys. We developed this software to track the crypto market. It's tracking 24/7. We have a trade group. We share our trades in the private list. In order to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. Call tradecrypto@gmail.com. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Take a look at this hiVALHALLA, guys. 50% profit. Gifto. This coin went up 460% profit. HORD 340%, CareCoin 294%, Sentinel and Suteron. Guys, we buy before the pump and sell up high. Call tradecrypto@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you. Okay, you can make 25% profit. We trade for you, and also we check the main cryptos too. We will let you know when you should buy and sell the main cryptos. Feel free to reach me out. Let's trade together. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Give me a like this video, share, email me, and let's trade this crypto and make all this money. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. My name is Carl from The Moon Channel. Bye bye.